Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing the brush. Identify synthetic versus natural bristles and inspect the ferrule for rust or trapped paint. Submerge bristles in warm water with mild soap or in 1/4 cup vinegar solution for 20 to 30 minutes to soften dried paint. While soaking, gently work the bristles with your fingers to lift softened paint. This reduces stress on the ferrule. Once the paint yields, move quickly to the next step to prevent redrying and to protect the glue at the ferrule. You now attack the deeper buildup by using a brush comb or an old fork to comb paint out from the ferrule toward the tip. This prevents trapping debris. For stubborn oil-based residues, apply a dedicated solvent or a 1:1 ammonia and water mix while ventilating the area. For water-based paint, use a good brush cleaner. Rinse repeatedly until the runoff is clear. While the brush is still limp, use your fingers to reshape the bristles into their original profile before blotting on a clean cloth. You finish by drying and storing the brush correctly. Lay it flat to air dry or hang it with bristles pointing down so water won't sit in the ferrule and loosen the glue. If bristles have splayed, carefully trim only stray hairs to restore a clean edge. Avoid reshaping by heavy cutting. If paint remains glued near the ferrule, soak that area in penetrating oil for 1 to 2 hours and then re-clean. This frees hardened glue. If cleaning fails, consider replacement, but try this troubleshooting step first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.